All right, thanks, Sean. Let's get reaction out of the Dell numbers. We are with Brian Evans of Bond Street Wealth Management. One of his funds owns more than 4,000 shares of Dell. Brian, good to have you on the program. What's your reaction to these numbers?
Well, as far as Dell's concerned, I'm not seeing what the upside would be as far as getting into it more. I mean, it's certainly trading at a decent level at 8 times earnings and that, but it's in a declining market. It's got a lot of competitive forces working against it. It feels like a lot like Microsoft did about 10 years ago in my area that I live. A lot of people own that, expecting it to do something. It just kind of stagnated. It was making lots of profit, but I think Dell's kind of in that same situation.
So what do you want to do then? I mean, is it worth buying into this company now on the heels of earnings, knowing that it's about to be going private?
No, I don't think so, because most of the upside was already captured in the last 2 months. We've seen this stock go up more than 30% in 2 months. So the reason I hold it in my fund, of course, is because I thought it was undervalued at that point based upon earnings, projected earnings, growth of earnings, those kinds of important measures relative to share price. But going forward, most of the gains have been taken out. In fact, the current price of it is above what the private investors are willing to pay for it based on their last offer. So I don't see what your upside would even be in a company that's kind of gotten all it can out of its stock price.
All right, we will leave it there. So you think the deal happens?
I think it will, because if we look back 2 months ago, the shares were trading around $10 a share. The announcement of the deal made the shares go up quite a bit, up to where the offer is, and that's where it's going to be. And I think that's a fair deal for everybody. And I think it'll work out in the big picture, but I don't see where the upside would be for the shareholders at this point going forward. So I think the deal will go through.
All right, we'll leave it there. Thanks very much.